Yeah, we are back. So, hello, my people. Hope you're all fine. Hope you're all good. Yeah, this is a great day here. And there's something new I want to start. As I had told you, the mission of this YouTube channel, for education purposes, for various analyses we shall be doing, and other many things. Get it? So one of the things we want to start now is we want to start the beginner series for people who are interested in learning about what Forex is, and other many aspects of Forex. So we are going to begin a beginner series, and it will have the various videos of what is Forex and many other things, my strategy, and many things as we shall be going through. So this is the first lesson, and we can start now. So we shall first want to look at what is Forex, an introductory of what Forex trading is, the various the various types of traders, the various financial markets. So we can start. So just an introduction. Before we go to what Forex is, you need to first know what are financial markets and where does Forex lie, because Forex, you can't talk about Forex without first understanding what the financial markets are. So we shall first want to identify what are financial markets before knowing what Forex is, because Forex lies within the various financial markets. So we shall look at the financial markets, and we need to understand what financial markets are. So what a financial market is, financial markets are the digital markets. These are the digital markets where buying and selling of various assets takes place. But for this case, they are digital markets. They're not physical markets. Yeah, here they are digital markets. So this is where the buying and selling of various assets like currencies, we can see stocks, commodities, currencies. Under currencies, we have various currencies. And these specific currencies are currencies of various economies, but mainly various economies like the euro, there's the USD, there could be the Japanese yen, and many others, but currencies of the various economies. With stocks, we talk about various company investments with the various stocks. Under here, we could have NASDAQ, that has the various companies, various tech companies. We also have commodities. Under commodities, we have gold, there's silver, there's platinum. You can call them commodities or metals and derivatives. So one of the first market we would want to look at here is the stock market. So the question is, what is a stock market? So you need to first know what a stock is. So a stock is a unit. A stock is basically a unit or a share that probably you have within a specific company or market. So under stock markets, there's mainly the buying and selling of shares, but the key thing is publicly listed companies. Under these publicly listed companies, you could have Netflix. Besides Netflix, there could be Meta, there could be Tesla, but they're mainly tech companies. There could be other companies that are not tech related, but mainly within the stock markets, under various stocks like Nasdaq. It consists of mainly the top tech markets, sorry, the top tech companies within it. But that are publicly listed. That are publicly listed companies, or you can call them companies that are issued with an IPO. Yet. So then there comes, let me first skip Forex, then there comes the commodities market. So the commodities market, what the commodities market is about is that the commodities market here, we are mainly, we are trading physical assets like gold, Could have crude oil, coffee, there is silver, and many other specific assets that are tradable under commodities. Then under options and derivatives, we have these are mainly based off contracts, contracts based on the value of various assets, such as the call and put options, as well as the futures contracts. So these mainly lay within the options. Then we have the crypto market that is currently booming. So we have here the crypto market. And these are digital currencies traded on exchanges. You guys know about, you've heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum, the Solana. So all those are various assets that are tradable under the crypto markets. Then we also have the bond market. So with the bond market, these are mainly within the various economies or various countries, and they're mainly government related, where governments and companies raise debt capital. This could be the US Treasury bonds, the corporate bonds, and various countries have these. So the bond market is mainly within the various countries. Then here we can now look at the forex. That will be our main topic. So we shall maybe look at the forex market and the commodities and stock. Because under stock, under certain pairs that are tradable, we could have Nasdaq, and Nasdaq is also a stock. So this is also a pair, or this is a tradable asset. Then commodities, we have gold. There's gold. Besides gold, we have silver. And within the forex market, there are various also currency pairs. So the question is, what is the forex market? So what the forex market is, the forex market is a large market. Get it? As you listen to the word forex, what do you understand by this word here, forex? Forex. So what forex means? This is a foreign. Let's take this as foreign. So this main relates to foreign exchanges. This main relates to the foreign exchanges. That's what forex is about. So this is foreign, then this is exchange. You get it? So this is about this is the foreign exchange of various currencies. So here, I think the forex market mainly deals with the buying and selling of various currencies against each other. For example, and it's the most largely traded markets. The largest market globally traded in the forex market, And here mainly we are dealing with selling and buying of currencies, but these currencies are for the various economies like the US, the Euro, as you can see, the Great Britain pound, the USD, there's the Euro, and many other currencies. At the end of the day, there could be also Japanese yen, that is JP, Japanese yen, and there are many currency pairs that are tradable by individuals. So mainly that's what the forex market is about. And before you get to understand what forex is, you must first know where forex lies. You must first know where forex lies, where the forex market lies, because the forex market is part of the very large financial market. So you need to first get that basis to understand what forex is to understand where forex lies in the financial markets before you're able to understand what forex itself is. So that's just the basis that you need to understand. Then now, what is forex? As I explained, so forex is mainly, or you can term it as FX. It's one of its short name, FX. It's FX. One of the short names of forex is FX. So you can term as forex is the global marketplace for buying and selling of currencies, as I explained to you. And this mainly takes place, all these currencies are basically derived from the various countries like the US, it could be the Britain, it could be Euro, For various countries like Japan, China, the Chinese yuan, there's also from South Africa, the South African rand, and there are many currencies that are tradable, and it's one of the largest and most liquid. What liquid means something that's traded a lot, something that has many people participating in to buy and sell, and it's most liquid financial market in the world compared to bonds, compared to stocks. It's one of the most largely traded. So the question is, how does it work? So Forex works in a way that there are many market participants. When I mean of market participants, we have retail traders. We could have retail traders here. Let me just abbreviate as RT. We have the retail traders. We have the institutions. The institutions. So retail traders are you as an individual. You put in your money. Who invest within the market. You as an individual. Various individuals. But these individuals don't have enough money to move the market. Then you have the institutions, their hedge funds, and many more other market participants. Within institutions, we have those big institutions like, if you've heard of JP Morgan, Bank of America, and many other institutions and other market participants who take part in market participation. So here, how it works is that transactions happen through various institutions and brokers. So who's a broker? A broker is a middleman between you, the market. So they connect you to the market. That's where a broker is. A broker is a middleman, as we shall see the various types of brokers. So that's how Forex mainly works, due to market participation of various people and to the various brokers who connect you to the market. And at the end of the day, currencies are traded in pairs. So you buy one currency while selling the other. As I'll give you a good example. If you can see this, let me just give you a good example of a currency pair called USD So we have a currency pair here called USD So if I say buy USD here I am buying the USD and I am selling JPY. So that's what it means by currencies being traded in pairs. That's what the statement means. So here I buy the USD and I sell the JPY. That's what this statement is relating to, as you'll be able to see. So that is that's how the market works. That's how Forex works. Yeah. So as I talked about earlier, within the Forex, there are various, we trade currency pairs. Currency pairs are traded, in other words, that there's buying and selling of various currency pairs, such as this is the Euro USD. And you notice that within the various currency pairs, we shall have a lesson about currency pairs, but let me just hint on this. What Euro means, Euro is this is the base currency. This is the base currency, and the USD is the quote currency. So this is mainly what it means. So if you say buy, if I buy the Euro USD, I am buying the Euro and I'm selling the USD. That is how it works. That's how it relates. Where these various where currency pairs trade against each other, and also how are currency pairs? How do we come to pair them up to get this? So it's mainly the first three digits of a country, such as Euro, like as you see USD. This is an abbreviation of the United States, the USD. Then this is the Great Britain pound. Then this is the Japanese yen. So the first three letters are what are considered. So we shall get to understand this more, but this is just the basics. We shall get to understand this more when you're talking about the various currency pairs. But each currency has a three-letter code, like as you'll notice that the euro, the JPY, the USD. Then on scale of Forex, so within the Forex market, per day, about 5 trillion and above is traded daily. That's why it's considered as one of the largest global market, because in a day about 5 trillion and 5 and above trillion generated per day due to the various market participants, as I was able to tell you, with the retail traders, whereby we have the retail traders, we have the big boys, the institutional traders, and many other market participants. And one of the other characteristics you should know is that it's also 20, it's open 24 hours for each of the 5 days of during the weekdays. It's always open. That is from Monday to Friday, 24, 5. These are 24 hours from Monday to Friday. That's what it means. So there's no closure on the market. It only, the only days when the market is off, that's during the weekends when the various market participants go for also rest, like the banks, employees within the banks, within the hedge funds, also rest over the weekend. So that's why during the weekend, the market is closed. But within the 5 days from Monday to Friday, the market is ever open. Then the other one, there are many currency pairs, about over 180 currency pairs that are paired up against each country, that are various currency pairs that are paired up. So those are some of the main characteristics of the Forex markets. So let's hint more on how it works. So how Forex works in a way that we have various market participants. We have the hedge funds, we have the hedge funds, there are the brokers, and the Forex market itself. So these are the hedge funds, we have the brokers, the Forex market itself. So, and the banks, all institutions, and the retail trader. So you as an individual, how do you participate in the buying and selling of currency pairs? So now you connect to the various brokers. The brokers you connect to, it's a broker that acts as a middleman. So this broker is a middleman. So the broker acts as a middleman between you and the market. Let me just notice here. So a broker acts as a middleman between you and the market. So brokers, we have very many types of brokers we shall discuss, but I'm just giving you the basics. So a broker acts as a middleman. So when you execute that trade, it's the broker who finally does what? Who finally puts your trade within the market. And brokers are many. We have A-book brokers, B-book. We have other many types like XNES. You guys have heard of XNES. We also have IC markets. There are many types of brokers, as we shall discuss in depth. Then, so what brokers do, they connect you, as you're able to see, they are connecting the hedge funds to the Forex market. Then here, they're able to also connect the retail trader. Here there is a broker here. So what this broker does is that this broker connects the retail trader, to the Forex market. So that's how it works. It operates in for 24 hours for 5 days, and it's the broker. And once you execute your trade via a platform, via the various platforms, could be MT5, or MetaTrader 5, MT4, OC Trader, there are various execution platforms. So what the broker does, they just connect you to the market. So that's how Forex mainly works. They connect you, and you're able to either execute. They connect you through after you executing either a buy or a sell. So that's mainly how the Forex market works. Then we also have various types of Forex brokers. We have Forex traders, sorry. We have various types of Forex traders, such as the scalpers, the day traders, the swing traders, and the position traders. So the scalpers, these are traders who hold their. Trader is someone who buys and sells like currency pair. Forex trader is an individual now who participates in the live market conditions of buying and selling of these various currencies. So a scalper executes trades and closes them within a small period of time. Roughly, the range mainly execute trades within seconds and close in various minutes. But they don't hold trades for a day. So that's where scalper is. They execute and close immediately. Execute for some time, then after. Once they get certain profits, they close. Then the day traders, these now open and close trades within the same day, or you can also hold that who are known as intraday traders who hold trades, who can hold a trade for the next day. But they mainly they can close and open a trade for hours within a day, and they can also be able to hold a trade for a specific day. Then you also have the swing traders. Now, swing traders hold trades for several days, mainly within weeks. Someone holds a trade for about 2 weeks. That's a swing trader, or for 4 weeks, that's a month. Those are who swing traders are. And position traders, these hold in years. Find someone holding a trade from 2019 up to 2026. That's a position trader. So mainly those are the various types of Forex traders. There are mainly 4 types of Forex traders. Then the advantages that Forex has, it's available 24 hours of the day, available 5 hours on each day. It's available 24 hours for each of the 5 days. That's from Monday to Friday. And it's traded anytime. Then there's profit in any market. And there's you can make money during any crisis, whether Ukraine is fighting Russia, still as an individual you make money. That's the beauty with Forex. Then also the freedom and flexibility. You have freedom as an individual. You're your own boss. You manage your risk alone. So that's the freedom that comes. You work on your own schedule. You decide when you want to trade, when you don't want to trade. And then there's also low startup capital. Nowadays, they are prop firms. So what a prop firm does, this is a proprietary firm, and what it mainly does is that it gives you money to trade. So you can start, what prop firms do, you can buy just an account, either at $100 or $17, a 5K challenge, and you trade that. You don't need too much, 5K, and trade that, then you keep scaling. So there's low startup capital compared to other businesses. There's profit in any market, though there are also losses, because losses are part of trading. And also it's also available 24/5 for each of the 5 days. So those are a few advantages of Forex trading, as well as these advantages now also cut across other financial markets like the stocks, commodities. Then the hard truth, out of advantages, there are also disadvantages. No one will tell you. So 99% of traders lose money. Understanding why this is the first step to being within the 1%. These are the 1%. Once you understand that, these are the 1%. So this is how it runs. So here, majority of people start to get rich quick. Majority of people. Someone tells you, hey, there's Forex. You join, you start. But among those, there are few who remain. These are the 40%. You only trade for 1 month. Then you're not seeing what you want. Probably there are many factors that hinder that, due to lack of knowledge. You come in with a get rich quick mindset, because this takes a period of time. This is a skill that takes a period of time. So others quit within 2 years, and then the 9% remain after 5 years. As you have seen here, that 40% trade only for 1 month. You get it? Among these who have joined, then 50% quit within 2 years, and 9% remain after 5 years. Then the 1% achieve their dream. One of the biggest aspects Forex that you need discipline as a trader. Discipline is a key thing. That's why most people don't reach the 1% because discipline. You need to be disciplined, and you also need knowledge because knowledge is power. You need knowledge to know about the market. You need knowledge for knowing the fundamentals, the technicals, and you also need knowledge to make the money. So that's the harsh truth that no one tells you. But because you're risking, that's the risk in forex. So that's the truth about it. So once you know this and you work on yourself, you're able to grow and be among the top 1% within the financial markets. So mainly that's what our lecture, that's what this lesson is about. This is a beginner. Again, this is a beginner series for all those who want to know what forex is about, and we shall have lectures. We shall have lessons each and every week that I'll be posting on my YouTube channel. Yeah, so next week we shall cover something else. And thanks very much for your time. Hope you enjoy it. In case of any questions, don't uh, don't don't forget, you can include your questions in the comments. You can always ask when you need questions, and I can always also get back to you. Uh, Thanks very much for your time, and have a great day.